Today, 3 classes from Hutchens Elementary, 2nd grade, took a field trip to the Environmental Center, and it has been a wonderful experience. For many of our kids, it was their first time, and we learned about the 5 different classifications of animals. They identified that they are mammals. We learned about the characteristics of fish, birds, reptiles, amphibians, and mammals, and truly it has fit in perfectly with our unit. So it's provided our kids with a lot of background knowledge for what we're going to learn next week, and they've thought it was wonderful. Just a moment ago, we went down one of the trails and we took a hike to the pitcher plant bog, and that was the first time for many of them looking at a pitcher plant, and while we were there we found a cool turtle.
With the elementary program here at the Environmental Studies Center, students usually come here wanting to see the animals. That's one of their favorite things. And so typically what we'll do, we'll take them inside our classroom where we have many different types of animals, including reptiles, and they'll walk around to look at the animals, and then we'll go through the different classes of vertebrate animals with them and bring out different examples for them, living examples, such as the possum, and we'll oftentimes bring out a barred owl as well. They'll get to see a snake up close. They even get to touch that snake before they leave the classroom. And then in addition to that, we'll take them out on the ground so that they can view all of the different animals that we have here in the different exhibit enclosures across the center grounds. These are the animals that came into our rehab program that were injured or had various things that had happened to them along the way, and they were not able to be released once they were rehabbed, and so they are permanent exhibit animals here, and the students get to view them and learn some things about them and understand their importance in nature.